Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, the 5th of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather dry today. Rain returns late tomorrow and tomorrow night. Another cold shot for the weekend. And more cold air by the middle of next week. A very active, interesting pattern. So let's dive in. Take a look. Upper air look this morning. Trough over the northeastern states, pulling down some pretty chilly air. Now, these were numbers at 5 o'clock, and again, they're going to keep on coming down, but you've got Haleyville at 29, Cullman 31, Fort Payne 32, Birmingham at 37, but again, you'll see those numbers dropping down toward the freezing mark as the sun comes up later this morning with frost. But the good news, we warm up into the 60s today. High should be in the mid to upper 60s. Pretty cold over the northern states. I mean, these folks are really wanting some spring weather, but it's going to be a while. It'll get there, but not for the next 7 days. There's the watch warning map this morning. We have freeze warnings down here through parts of the Mid-South. Winter weather advisories from Nebraska back up into Montana. Here's the severe weather outlook today. No organized severe storms expected, but tomorrow there is a risk of severe storms mainly west of the state. Places like Dallas-Fort Worth, Shreveport, and Jackson. We note that marginal risk does nose into parts of West Alabama. Keep in mind this outlook runs through 7 a.m. Saturday, but the overall chance of severe storms is fairly low in the state. And then after 7 a.m. Saturday, a marginal risk for the southern quarter of the state with a standard slight risk over parts of North Florida, South Georgia, and the coastal part of the Carolinas. Rain for the next 7 days. A lot for the upper Pacific coast, and the southeast is fairly wet. Rain amounts here generally between 1 and 1.5 inches through Thursday morning of next week. So let's take this thing day by day. Model fans, this is the GFS, the 06Z run. At 1 o'clock this afternoon, cold vortex over eastern Canada. And for us, a bright sunny day. Again, we start the day around freezing. The high will be in the mid to upper 60s today. Tomorrow, clouds will increase, and we could see some rain reaching maybe West Alabama by afternoon. This is tomorrow night, just after midnight, 1 a.m. Saturday. And then this is midday Saturday with the rain shifting on down to the south. Let's look at the high-resolution NAM. 1 a.m. Saturday, just after midnight tomorrow night. You can see a band of storms kind of nosing into West Alabama. We're not seeing any instability here, but we'll have to watch those just to see if they can generate some strong gusty winds. 7 a.m. Saturday, that batch of rain already out of here. I mean, there's a chance the rain could end very early in the day Saturday. Sure looks like the bulk of the rain is going to be tomorrow night. Got something planned outdoors. There's certainly hope for you in terms of not having to deal with rain that much on Saturday. And then by 1 o'clock, it looks pretty dry. But caution, it's going to be cloudy, windy, cold, and raw. These are the numbers coming off the NAM at 1 o'clock Saturday, and it's got temperatures dropping in the 40s over the northern counties of the state. Birmingham sitting at 50. So we could conceivably start the day Saturday morning around 60, then we'll drop through the 50s and maybe winding up in the 40s Saturday afternoon with a strong northwest wind. But again, it looks like the rain should end fairly early in the day. And then Sunday. Again, Sunday morning is going to be cold. We start the day around freezing. The high will be in the 60s. The sky will be sunny. Look at the snow up north. Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Des Moines, St. Louis. Monday's rain moving through maybe early in the day. The latest guidance here suggesting maybe the better chance of rain would be Sunday night and Monday morning, maybe early Monday morning. And this is Tuesday, another shot of colder air. Highs dropping in the low to mid 60s. And Wednesday, we might be dealing with some frost again early in the day with lows down in the 30s. But that should be the last one. This is April 11th, and traditionally After April 15th, you're good to go to plant things that might be harmed by a freeze. This is a week from today, Thursday the 12th, a zonal flow. Moisture starts to increase. That might suggest a chance of rain toward the end of next week. This is Saturday, April 14th. Pretty good looking trough approaching, and that might be a look for strong to severe storms. Way too early to know for sure. Just something to watch in coming days. We'll check the numbers off the GFS ensemble. And again, note that high Saturday of 64. That's probably going to come at like 3, 4 a.m. Use caution here because during the day, we will drop through the 50s and maybe winding up in the 40s. Note the low Sunday morning of 31. And next Wednesday morning, the ensemble has a low of 36. And that might present some frost, so we'll keep an eye on that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.